How's it going, guys? Today I'm showing you how to make a UK Garage remix with only 4 layers. This is what it sounds like. Great, so when I'm doing a remix, I always start with the vocal. When remixing a track, I've actually got a Spotify playlist that has a load of songs that I want to remix. So whenever I've got the downtime and I want to work on a remix, I know exactly where to go to look for vocals. Great, once I've got that track, I'll usually then buy it on Bandcamp. I'll then go to this website, LALAI, and I will convert it. It's got this stem splitter, so look, I can click vocal, I then drag in the song, it uploads and then splits it, so you have the vocal track and then the instrumental. I then download the vocal track and then drop it into my project. Once I've got the vocals, then I usually move on to the drums. So this is just a drum loop from my UK Garage Volume 1 pack. It sounds like this. Let's hit it with the vocal. Yeah, so that works really well. Pretty much any loop, any garage loop from the pack would work with it, or any garage loop in general. Once I've got the vocal and the drums working, I'll then move on to the bass. This is what the bass sounds like that I've made. So these are actually presets for my new UK Garage Volume 3 pack. You can get that from the link in the description. The pack has over 50 presets for making the sickest dark UK garage. It's currently on sale now, so get it while you still can. Right, so yeah, the bass is actually split into 2 tracks. So the first one is this. I'm firstly going to show you through the MIDI, and then we're going to get onto the patch. If I put all the MIDI onto one thing, I'll consolidate it, and you'll be able to see what it all looks like. Great, so I'll mute these quickly so you can see what this bass layer is doing. So it's starting with D sharp, and then it's D sharp again. So the first layer is always D sharp, and then the second layer is what's playing on that. Obviously it's hard to hear because it's a different bass sound, but yeah, it's sort of, this is the call, and then this is the response. Great, and let's have a look at the Serum patch. So this is the preset Garage Wobble. So if I was to change the rate, it would make it slower or faster. By default it's on 78. Then got this reverb. So in oscillator A, we've got this analog BD sine. This is the exact same as a normal sine wave, so on basic shapes, but instead, as you can see, it's completely flipped. So analog BD sine. If you move up the wavetable position, you also see that you can morph it slightly, in which shaping the sound and add some more characteristics. So yeah, this analog BD sine is pitched down by 2 octaves. This one is kept on 0. If we have a look at LFO1, this is controlling the FM from B, causing that wobble effect. And if I was to increase that and decrease it, and you can change the shape. Great, and if we have a look at the effects, we've got this soft clip distortion. We've also got this filter, LH12. It's really bringing out some resonance. We've also got this EQ and this reverb. If we look at the second patch, it's more of a garage square. So it's the preset square x square, and you have a basic shapes square in oscillator A and oscillator B. They're both fine-tuned to -25 and +25. This makes them play against each other. If I get rid of that, you'll hear that it doesn't sound at all the same. So it doesn't sound garagey enough. So yeah, you've got to detune it. Anywhere from about 25 to, I'd say maximum 35, but around 35 is going to sound a little bit out of tune. We're going to slap this filter on. that is a bit too much. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the patch, apart from got this macro one which controls wider, so it basically makes this hyper more, and this chorus, and we've also got this compressor which is always on. Yeah, pretty simple patch, but yeah, it sounds really nice. Pretty quick video there, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you all had a nice Christmas and you're getting back into the swing of making more UK Garage. See you soon. Bye.